Hi boys and girls, so today it says, how can I answer questions using my five senses? So our learning goal says, I can answer questions using my five senses. When I try to answer a question, I need to make sure that my answer makes sense. So I can do this by using my five senses to help me answer the question. So think about different questions you've been asked. Think about science questions. We want to use our five senses to help us explain our answer. So it should be something that we can observe, whether it's something we observe by seeing it, something we hear, how it feels, smells, or tastes. So if someone asks you, what can you tell about this flower? You want to think about answers that you can give them. So what can I tell about this flower? Can I tell how old the flower is? What about that the flower is yellow? Or that my friend will like it? What do you think is the best answer? Can you tell by looking and observing that flower how old it is? No. Can't use my sense of touch, hearing, taste, smell, or sight to explain how old that flower is. What about that my friend will like it? Can I use my five senses to decide how my friend will feel about this flower? Nope, I can't. That's an opinion that only my friend can decide. However, can I look with my sense of sight and see that the flower is yellow? Yes, right here. I can see it. So I can prove it right here with my five senses. So what can you tell about the flower? The flower is yellow. Someone asked me, what can you tell about the dog? That my mom wants to buy him? That the dog is mad? That the dog has soft fur? Let me think. Can I use my five senses to decide that my mom wants to buy this dog? Nope, I may hope she wants to buy the dog, but that's not an answer I can give when I look at that dog. That the dog is mad. Can I see how the dog is feeling right now? What he's thinking in his mind? No, not really. Can I feel that the dog has soft fur? I can do that. I can use my sense of touch to feel the dog's soft fur. So this would be an answer to this question. What can you tell about the dog? Do you think that this little girl is going to be able to just think to answer the question, or is she going to have to come up with a question that she uses her five senses? Yeah, she's going to actually have to look or see or taste or touch or feel. She can't just sit there and think and wonder. She has to go and find out what is the answer. Here is a challenge. So you have this little girl, Ella, and she's got 3 bird feeders in her yard. Each of the bird feeders has different seeds in it. How could you find the kinds of seeds the birds like the best? So in her yard, which seeds did the bird like the best? How do you think she would find that out? Do you think she would just sit there and think about it? Probably not. Do you think maybe she could ask her friend? Is her friend gonna know? Nope. Could she listen to the songs the birds sing? Is that gonna tell her what seed is the bird's favorite? How about watch to see which feeder becomes empty first? Or feel each seed to find the smoothest. Well, let me think. If I feel, then I am using my sense of touch. However, is that going to answer this question? How could you find the kind of seed the birds in her yard like the best? No, because what if the bird likes rough seeds, right? So feeling each seed to find the smoothest is not going to tell me which seed is the favorite seed. Listen to the songs the birds sing. No, I don't think that's going to tell me what seed is their favorite either. What if I watch to see which feeder becomes empty first? I know that if I really like a certain type of potato chip or a certain type of fruit, then I'm going to eat that one first. So I'm going to eat up all of my favorite first, and then whatever is left over is probably something that I don't like as much. Just like when you sit at dinner and you have your nice healthy salad and your vegetables, and then you have that nice piece of chicken. Well, I'll probably eat that chicken first because I don't really want to eat my salad and my green beans. My favorite food is chicken. So I can see that what did I like the best? My chicken. And what's left? The salad and the green beans. So if I watch to see what the birds eat all of, or most of, then I can probably make a good guess that that is its favorite. So I could watch to see which feeder becomes empty first, and that would help me answer the question. So your learning goal is I can answer questions using my 5 senses. We want to make sure that our answers make sense, that it's something that we can actually say, look, that's the right answer because I can see it, I can feel it, I can taste it, I can touch it, I felt it to see how it felt. So we want to be able to use our 5 senses. Good luck! Watch this video again if you forget any of the information.